So this LLMs has to be we can apply in anywhere in our real-time scenario or real-time use cases, and which will be make more perfect than human. Yesterday, I think I have seen one video of Tesla car which are taking turn if any one particular object or vehicle has to be coming near to car. If the actual driver is there, there will be maybe accident. But if they are using AI or computer vision for same or with help of sensor, it avoid that accident. So things is happen uh, with help of this AI. The next part of this LLM is AI agent. So LLM is one model, and AI agent is nothing but one entity or one system which designed for specific task. For example, uh, one MNC company is there, and one HR person is required for generating the job descriptions as per the title with help of Google previously. And salary of that HR person is 50K per month in Indian rupees. Whatever the recruitment title is there, uh, C are creating job description for each and every title with help of Google 10, 20 and posted in that particular portals or website, whatever they are design system. But for generating, it took one day average for generating job description for 10 job titles. Suppose there is job title for deputy manager for operation. You are searching two, three, four, five Google websites and try to finding out job description, make a collaboration of it, do working on the same like format, some bullet points and etc. Already things with job and responsibilities, qualification, all these things. And then is submitting. But LLM model can be generated a 10 job description within 2 minutes with more specific and more accurate. So how that company will be keep on that role or keep on that job position for that HR if one chat GPT subscriptions are giving that duty within 2000 rupees or there is a no intervention about human, there is a no meeting, no stand up and all this thing. They are creating one system where a trigger point is there, and whenever we are click on that job title, within fraction of second, even 20 second, 10 second, 5 second, that LLM model generate a job description for that particular job title. So is it loss of that HR job from that company? I'm expecting answer from you, friends. If they keep that HR on that position, if LLMs are doing same job within 2 minutes and within 2K,
No, I don't think it is a loss
Definitely.
of. Oh, sorry, go ahead.
burden,
Mm,
one friend is say that there will be keep
No,
uh,
no. Yeah, so it is not a loss of job for the HR because, as we know, human in the loop, we always need people to,
no no
uh,
my point is that that particular HR job is only generating the job description. It is very big company, okay, and this particular HR duties that suppose I have generated 10 job descriptions within a day. That is my duty. Daily same task is there. So if I took subscriptions for chat gpt, and it is also generating job descriptions for 10 title within 2 minutes, and which is very accurate as compared to that particular human. So what you think about that particular role if you are owner or CEO of company?
Kiran, in that case, what happened that efficiency is definitely going to be increased. When efficiency is going to be increased, then if any work needs to be done by two people, then it can be done by the one or people, or might be the lesser than that, right? In that case, definitely job is going to be loose, but it's not likely that that HR is going to be loose. Might be we can involve that HR into the other work, but uh, definitely jobs are going to be lesser in that case.
Yes, my point is not to giving fire to that. He can be give another job, means that particular duty or particular actions done by LLM. So that particular person are switches to another work, means productivity will be go, and instead of two-person we can work with help of one person, or instead of five persons we can working with two persons. So productivity increases, means losses of job in the not seen particular in means not firing of that HR. I am say that this work done by LLMs, or we can say that AI, and the human power has to be less, human efforts has to be less, and within minimum time it give accurate results. Suppose I am giving another one example, and it is a real time. I develop a chatbot for one of cybersecurity company, and the near about 200 employees and 25 plus customers associated with that particular company. And for handling queries, handling tickets, or handling in nothing but whatever the questions asked by uh, employees, whatever the queries asked by the customers, it are giving generic uh, answers or some specific answers. So they are giving, means keeping one person which is support staff. The name of title is support staff, and in chatbot, traditional chatbot, whatever the queries has to be coming from employee size side as well as from mm, customer side, giving answer of that. For example, if suppose any employees are asking for list of uh, holidays in 2025, or asking about is there is a holiday for this particular date. So he has to be supposed giving answer for that particular queries. But with help of generative AI, we develop such type of chatbot which are given answer like human, but we are not say that it is a machine at the backend side. We are like we are talking with like human and giving all the answers with more accurate as compared to human, more politely impressive and professional language with help of that RAG based chatbot. So obviously we have to shifted that person into another job, or we have to remove that person, we have to fire that person. Is it fact? Lots of uh, previously support job has to be lost because of this RAG based chatbot. Because lots of ongoing e-commerce companies have some supportive communication portal is with help of chatbot also. There is no human in US, UK, Australia, such type of companies. They are communicating with help of directly chatbot. Previously, person are working on a same, but right now the RAG based chat chatbot is giving answer for everyone. Even simple example, when that mobile has to be coming, we are the people, we are calling to customer care and asking about different plan and different thing, and talking on that support staff. Is it true? Is it true?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. So that things has to be going on, and it is good to sign in increase the productivity and increase accuracy. Uh, Dependency of human has to be less here, because um, human are not accepting new thing earlier. It is also one, uh, we can say that, psychological phase of human, because in our neurons is not has that level of data. Before, suppose in 1990, if anyone say that I can be make uh, travel, I can purchase with help of mobile, and I can do the online transaction everywhere. There is no need to the cash. Is it is it acceptable on that day?
Definitely not. In that time, I
Yes,
don't think
not
technology
even.
is so vast, right? We
Yeah,
can't think about that. At that time, mobile was not there even. So how
yeah.
can think about?
Even even after mobile generation, smartphone has to be came in the market, and there is only cash transaction is there. Even I self, I am from computer engineering background, and in third year my subject was artificial intelligence. Seminar subject is there. Even at that time, I have not that level of sense of AI. Only I have got the title from one of my friend, and say that you can give that seminar. So that level, I am thinking about machineries and like robotics working in machinery in manufacturing industry. So that sense of AI at that time only. The point is that nowadays we are living without a cash. How many people are living without a cash?
I think most of the person in the urban areas,
Yeah, most
uh,
of the person
in
in
rural
urban, yeah.
areas, and definitely even if you go to the senior citizens, more in urban areas, 50% they are also using that. Uh,
So lots of people, even uh, we can give donation, uh, we can give beg to beggar also. Beggar also carry the mm, QR code right now, and in every temple there are QR code. Means that thing is happen. I'm sure. My point is that I have to say, concern is that, so the evolution of technology and generating generative AI agent will do such type of evaluation in task, and we always going with that, because the continuously the millions of people are working on same for making automation for each and every process, and the next decade is AI. Right now, everyone say that AI, but only entertainment industries are taking fully leverage of AI. Not any other industry are taking fully leverage of AI. I have working with different industry like manufacturing, finance, uh, pharma, healthcare, but only entertainment industry is taking fully leverage right now. Other industries are working on same and try to discovery word is here for try to find out a point where we can introduce or develop a models. So today, I
but industries have already started upon these cases as well. Even pharma industries is using almost a lot of LLMs and other things as
yeah,
well.
industries are starting, but see what actually problem is that uh, data is not in organized way, as well
Yeah,
as
that's true.
that level of efficiency in models in or framework is not also there. So mm,
Yeah, for framework, they are just trying to organize the data because that's the organization of data is required. Because I'm
yeah,
just
yeah,
working upon in one of the projects in the pharma industry. They they want to automate complete system with the AI only, and they have done so as well. But we are just finding that data needs to be more mature to put it to the
perfect,
AI. So
perfect.
that's what they are doing also. They have already started working upon
See, I'm giving one example within 2 minutes. I work with one fintech company, and previously they are calculating a loan offered with help of rule-based uh, calculation. They have one calculation methods. What is income, and as per that income, there is some 30%, 40% rule-based calculation is there, and they offered a loan in front of that means to a front person. But one fintech company has to be working on a same, and they say that we have to analyze that particular person income, particular person expenses, and each and everything. So how we can analyze? So we can analyze with help of uh, transactions, whatever the transaction made by that account. So we take one mm, passbook, passbook, and there is a transaction for each incoming and outgoing. After we are using OCR for that OCR extractions, and we are creating one table: income, online expenses, offline expenses, or whatever the picture in that. So really, I would like to tell here, after analysis of this, we are uh, find that the person can has to be giving loan amount is not depend on that uh, formula, but we have to think about with help of their passbook analysis. If any person has to be 2 lakh salary per month, but here is expenses is near about 1,80,000. Only 20,000 is left in his account in every month. So how we can give a new loan which EMI is a 50,000? Are you getting my point?
that.
Yeah. So because I am see that we cannot predict or analyze or getting insights how he has to be online order of food, order for online materials, subscriptions for different online platforms. That is not came in under the uh, in front expenses. After analysis, we can find out he has to be his like pattern of expenses, insights of financial condition of that particular person. So we are developing AI model which are taking passbook, we are extracting a data, we can analyze it, we can make a machine learning model, and then machine learning model say yes, this person has high salary, but he could not pay regular EMI, so it go under risk loan. So when it go risk loan, high the percentage of interest is there, and some insurance covering is added in that. So the bank is shocked. It get truly results when they are using AI. So that are some discovery points. We are using discovery word here for a same, where we can take a leverage of generative AI. So today we stop here. Okay. Thank you. Thank you everyone.